OpenAI has retired the last GPT-4 models from ChatGPT with a simple post in order to save limits for newer, more capable models. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. GPT 4.5 will disappear on June 27, 2026 after a 30-day sunset period, so you still have a limited time to use the models. But this model is currently only available to paid ChatGPT users. OpenAI o3 will also be retiring in August. Many users have expressed their annoyance on X, saying the 5 series still doesn't match what ChatGPT 4 and o3 had. And honestly, they're right. In many ways, GPT-4 and its versions were the models that changed everything. ChatGPT 5 created such a large user backlash that OpenAI actually brought it back for a limited period of time before ultimately carrying out its threat of removing it forever once ChatGPT 5 had improved. The retirement of ChatGPT 4.5 means that there are now no GPT-4 models left inside ChatGPT, signaling the end of a remarkable chapter in AI history. GPT-4 was the model that convinced millions of people that AI was no longer futuristic. It wrote essays, passed exams, coded apps, analyzed images, and sparked both excitement and anxiety about what might come next. For many people, it was the first AI that felt genuinely intelligent. AI progress doesn't always feel like a straight line. New models arrive with better benchmarks, faster responses, and more capabilities. Yet they can also lose some of the qualities that made people connect with earlier versions. GPT-4 and its models transformed AI from a fascinating curiosity into something people genuinely used, relied on, argued about, and in some cases, even fell in love with. Enjoy your retirement, GPT-4. You've earned it. For the first time in computing history, people aren't just nostalgic for old software, they're nostalgic for old personalities. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.